Welcome back to Harry's Happenings, my YouTube channel, and as you probably know, I do a lot of videos from my trips abroad, on holiday, try and show people what I experience, and also I do website design and I do painting like this one behind me, which I've just filmed. Now I didn't film all of it, I didn't do the beginning of it, but you'll see basically how I put this together. And I did go down a path on this design which really didn't work for me, so I actually changed it. I scrubbed the top of it, which is quite a big thing to do, but I feel it's come out right now and I'm a lot happier with it. So I'm not going to start with the basics, but I can talk you through that, and you'll see in a very short space of time how I've actually done this. I'm using palette knife, I'm using oils on a block canvas, and the canvas is about 90 by 60 centimeters, and I've done it over a period of weeks. And you'll notice that there are some times when it's been really hot I didn't wear a shirt. I wish I had, so my apologies for that, but yeah, I've done it over a period of time. Anyway, hope you enjoy this little video. It's basically how I put this together and how it changes. We make mistakes. People that write music, they change the lyrics, they don't like the music, whatever. Sometimes it doesn't go the way you want it to go, and you just have to be brave and change it. As simple as that. So anyway, if you enjoy my little video, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification, because I'll be doing more videos on my travels, certainly in the future. And if I do any more paintings, I'll do some more, not tutorials as such, but just to show you how I do it. Anyway, enjoy, and any comments I'll have a look at, and I'll certainly get back to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. In this initial photograph, you can see that I've blocked in the background and the foreground, but not the river. So this is done with a very weak mix of oil paint. It can be done with acrylic paints. You can go on top of acrylic paints with oils, but you cannot go the other way. You cannot go acrylics on top of oils. So it's blocked in, let it dry, and then I went over and started doing the detail. My instructions from the client, because this is a commissioned piece of art, was to have birch trees with autumn colours and more of an impressionist, so not detailed. So that is what I was setting about to do. So as you can see, I was putting in the trees. I decided to put a reflection in for water. She didn't want any blue in the painting, so I did that without any blue water, which is fine because it's just reflection. And then obviously started to put the trees in. As you can see now, I have got about a third of the canvas with splashes of autumn leaves, and I didn't like it. I just felt, keep looking at it, that it wasn't actually correct. It didn't feel right. So I didn't know quite what to do, other than I needed to clear it, but only half of it, and that was the back half. So I wiped it. I left the canvas for a day or two, and then I put in a very kind of bland, cloudy, not totally white. It's actually got some colours in the sky, but no blue, and a small mountain or hilly range in the back, and then some trees to give it some distance.
So eventually I have finished the painting, although I made big changes because I really wasn't happy with it. But I'm happy with this. Has a lot more depth. The trees are better. I've done more detail on the trees, and I haven't overdone the colours of the leaves. There's a lot of texture, as you can see, even on the trees in the background, and very thick paint right on the front by the river. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Although I had to change it drastically, this is a commissioned piece of work and I wanted to be happy with it before I offered it to my client. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching how I painted this, even with the fact that I changed it. And any comments, I'm very welcome to hear what you think about my process and my art, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.